Hello, welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to explain about the strategic group competitor analysis and strategic fit analysis, as well as environmental threat and opportunities profile. Let's talk about the strategic groups. Strategic groups is the set of a company within the industry that has the similar or same strategies, which is known as strategic groups. Similar strategies means the same pricing, similar pricing, or same product design, same or similar product design, or same distribution channels. These are the example of the strategic groups. There were various implications of the strategic groups. Some of the implication of strategic groups are uh, identify the environmental analysis and performance evaluation or performance comparison between them, as well as for to identify the threat and opportunities, and market positioning or business positions, to identify the market position or business positions. These are the implications of the strategic groups. Now let's talk about the competitor analysis. It's simple that computer analysis is the analyzing or studying the competitors' strengths and weakness and their strategies in the business environments to gain more competitive advantage for the better decisions, which is known as competitor analysis. With the help of competitors analysis, the company can gain the competitive advantage in the environment. There are various process and procedures of the competitors analysis. um, and let's talks about the process and procedures. First of all, we have to identify the competitors, and then we have to collect the informations and identify the strengths and weakness, as well as their strategies and objectives. And then we have to evaluate or analyze the strategies. And the last one is we have to predict for the future moves. These are the steps and procedures of the competitors analysis. Now let's talks about the strategic fit analysis. Strategic fit analysis is the process of studying how well the company's internal factors, such as strengths and the resources, match with the external factors like opportunities and threats. This is known as strategic fit analysis. uh, with the help of strategic fit analysis, the manager can helps for the better decision making. um, this is uh, known as strategic fit analysis. Now let's talk about the environmental threat and opportunities, profile. This environmental threat and opportunity profile is the business is environmental tools and techniques that helps to identify the internal strengths and weakness, as well as external opportunities and threats in the environment. Sorry, the main aim of the environmental threat and opportunity is to identify the opportunity that will be helpful for the growth of the business, and to identify the threats that helps to minimize the risks, is the main aim of environmental threat and opportunity profile. Now let's talk about the process and procedures of the environmental threat and opportunity profile. First of all, we have to divide the environment into the factors, such as we have to divide the factors such as political factor, economical, there are various factors, social factor, legal factor, global factor, such as we have to divide this factor. And second step is to analyze this factor through the strengths, through identifying their strengths and weakness. We have to analyze it. And the last one is Prepare profile means finding we have to find out their strengths and weakness, and we have to summarize their strengths and weakness in a chart or a profile, which is the final step of environmental threat and opportunity profile. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Okay, bye bye.